How to automatically stop background sounds when the iPhone is locked on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Then go down and tap on Audio and Visual. Then tap on Background Sounds. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Stop Sounds when locked. So when your phone is locked, background sounds will stop immediately. And that's it. Tap on this toggle button to switch it on. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.